Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to put your iPad into recovery mode. This process can help you when you're facing issues or need to restore your iPad. First, connect your iPad to a computer with iTunes for Windows or Finder for Mac. Next, press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time. Now wait until the recovery mode screen appears. As you can see, our iPad is in recovery mode now, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.